Today, I'll show you how to create a Jotform survey from start to finish using one of their built-in templates and then customizing it to fit your needs. By the end, you'll have a polished survey ready to share with your audience. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. When the site loads, you'll land on the Jotform homepage. If you already have an account, you can log in, and if you don't, you can create a free account in just a minute. While you can explore a few things without an account, having one will let you save and publish your survey, so it's worth setting up before you go any further. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a new form. This is usually a button labeled Create near the top of the page or in your dashboard area. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for anything new you build in Jotform, including surveys, registration forms, and more. After you click Create, Jotform will ask what you want to create. You'll see different options, and here you want to choose Form. Selecting this tells Jotform you're building a standard form layout, which is perfect for most survey use cases. Click on Form to move on. Next, you'll be asked how you want to start your form. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can speed things up by using one of Jotform's pre-built designs. Here, choose the option that says Use Template. Templates are a huge time saver because they already include questions, layouts, and styling that you can tweak instead of designing every detail from the ground up. Once you're in the template library, you'll see a search bar. Type survey into that search field and hit enter. This will filter the templates so you only see survey style forms. You'll find templates for customer feedback, event evaluations, employee surveys, and more. Take a moment to scroll through and look at the thumbnails and short descriptions so you can pick something that's close to what you need. When you find a template that looks like a good fit, click on it to preview the layout and the questions. If the overall structure feels right, even if you plan to change some wording later, click the Use Template button. This will copy that design into your own account and open it in the form editor. Now you're ready for the most important part, customizing your survey. In the editor, you can click on any question to change the text, adjust the type of answer field, or remove it if you don't need it. You can add new questions from the Form Elements panel, rearrange the order by dragging and dropping, and update the title and description so they clearly explain the purpose of your survey. Take time to check that your questions are clear, concise, and in a logical order for your respondents. You can also adjust colors, fonts, and overall styling so the survey matches your brand or the tone you're going for. When you're happy with everything, save your changes and use Jotform's publish options to share the link or embed the survey on your website. And that's it. You've created a Jotform survey using a template and customized it to suit your needs.